A family outing, a popular tourist destination, a woman enjoying a picnic with her loved ones. It should have been an ordinary day. Instead, it became a chilling reminder of how unsafe can even a family picnic become. The young woman, who has shown immense courage by speaking about her ordeal in public, has alleged she was whistled at and remarks were made at her by two men. She objected, stood up to the harassers. They broke into an argument with each other, and her husband and her brother-in-law intervened. The harassers left the spot, but according to the family, they followed, chased the victim and her family's car for nearly 15 kilometers, armed with iron rods and wooden sticks, a violent pursuit. It was not just the two men, it was an entire bunch of men, goons really, from the local villages, the shacks nearby, that started pursuing the violent pursuit that they did of this family. The viral video showing men allegedly carrying iron rods who were chasing the family's vehicle is not just shocking, it is symbolic of a growing culture of impunity, where those accused of harassing women allegedly feel emboldened enough to escalate violence when confronted. Harassment is often dismissed as eve-teasing, a phrase that trivializes what it is in reality, an assault on a woman's dignity and freedom. In this case, it was not just one woman, it was an entire family, including her young daughter. When such behavior is met with intimidation and violence, it sends an even more dangerous message. Stay silent or face the consequences. That very act of standing up to her harassers, that cannot be silenced. And this cannot become a new normal. The 9 arrested are residents of villages in and around Igatpuri and are known to each other. One of them is a history sheeter with a murder case against him in 2020. Every such incident demands swift investigation, accountability, and a clear message that crimes against women, whether harassment, sexual assault, any form, will not be tolerated. Crimes against families will not be tolerated. Crimes will not be met with lenient hand, because the real measure of public safety is not how crowded a place is. It is whether every woman can return home without fear. I'm first being joined by the victim in this particular case. In fact, it would be unfair to call you a victim and her husband. Thank you very much, both of you, for joining me. I was saying it's unfair to call you a victim, ma'am, because you are a very, very bold, strong survivor. थैंक यू सो मच हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। मैम, आप हमें ये बताइए, आप कैसी हैं अभी? हाउ आर यू?
अभी कल तक तो थोड़ा मतलब इतना डर था कि मतलब लग नहीं रहा था कि किसी का सपोर्ट मिलेगा, बट वेरी थैंकफुल टू नासिक पुलिस, अंबड पुलिस स्टेशन। उन लोगों ने हमें काफी सपोर्ट किया, हमारे साथ आए, हर प्लेसेस पे हमारे साथ है, तो हम कल जा पाए, नहीं तो अभी तक हम वो कंडीशन में नहीं थे कि हम लोग इस सब चीजों को फेस करते। इवन हमारे बच्चे भी इतने डरे हुए हैं, बस वो सोचते हैं तो बस रोना ही आता है, और ऐसे लग रहा है कि हम लोग जैसे मरते मरते ही बचे हैं।
Ma'am, I'm so sorry to hear how you're speaking. It sounds, it's very scary, but congratulations, ma'am, to you and to your husband, to your entire family. The way you are speaking up. You're speaking up not just for you and your family, ma'am. You're speaking for every woman who is listening to you. Thank you so much for doing that. Ma'am, आप बोल रही हैं कि अभी आप better हैं. इससे पहले you were scared. आप लोग बहुत डरे हुए थे. आपके बच्चे कैसे हैं? उनके सामने ये सब कुछ हो रहा था?
या जी जी, आप सब फैमिली के साथ में ये सब हो रहा था, फैमिली के सामने ही हो रहा था। और इट वाज सच एन टेरिबल एक्ट कि हम सब मरते मरते बचे हैं उस दिन। यानी ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि नासिक महाराष्ट्र में ये सब हो सकता है, लेकिन ये हुआ है। यानी उस दिन 15-20 किलोमीटर तक ये लोगों का हमारे पीछे आना, हमारी गाड़ी का तोड़फोड़ करना, और हम चाहते थे कि पुलिस तक जाए, लेकिन पुलिस तक जाने से पहले ही ये लोग हमें ट्रैप कर रहे थे। और जहाँ पे भी हम किसी ट्रैफिक की वजह से या किसी चीज़ की वजह से रुक जा रहे थे, तो ये आके अटैक ही कर रहे थे। दे वर नियरली अबाउट 10 टू 12 पीपल्स, ये सब अटैक कर रहे थे, और ये ऐसे अटैक कर रहे थे कि इन्हें शायद किसी का खून ही करना था, ऐसा था। लेकिन उस दिन इन्हें गॉड का थैंक्स है कि भगवान की दया है कि हम सब बच गए, नहीं तो शायद आज किसी का यानी हम में से किसी का न्यूज़ में नाम रहता कि शायद इनकी डेथ हो चुकी है। ये सब इतना डरावना था।
जी मैम, ये शुरुआत कैसे हुई? आप जो बयान आ रहे हैं, जो रिपोर्ट्स आ रही है, पुलिस कह रही है कि आपके ऊपर कमेंट्स पास किया गया था, हैरेसमेंट हुआ था, एंड बोथ ऑफ यू स्टूड अप फॉर इट, यू रिस्पॉन्डेड टू इट। बताइए क्या हुआ था, ये शुरुआत कैसी हुई?
शुरुआत ऐसे थी कि हम लोग बस वहां पे काफी एंजॉय किया हमने फैमिली के साथ। हम लोगों ने खाया पानी में मस्ती किया। अभी संडे था, हम उसी हिसाब से ही बाहर गए थे। जैसे ही हम लोग को लगा कि अभी टाइम हो गया, जा सकता है, तो बस वहां से निकल ही रहे थे। तो मैं और मेरी देवरानी हम साथ में आगे आए, तो वो कमेंट पास कर रहे थे। हमने सोचा कि ठीक है, लेट इट बी, क्यों ही ध्यान देना है। बट उन लोगों को पता नहीं था कि पीछे से ये लोग भी आ रहे हैं। मेरे हस्बैंड थे और ये थे, मतलब। तो उन्होंने सुना, तो उन्होंने बस उनके पास जाके इतना ही कहा कि भाई हम लोग टूरिस्ट हैं, ये सब करना सही नहीं है, ऐसा मत किया करो। और उन्हें वहां से बोला कि निकलो अभी, तुम यहाँ से, यहाँ पे मत रुको। वो बस चले ही गए। लेकिन जैसे वो गए, तो वहां के जो लोकल थे, वहां पे कुछ ऐसे छोटा सा स्टॉल लगा हुआ था जो गाड़ी में ही था। तो वो लड़का खुद के पास में आया, बोले आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था। बट ऐसा
लड़का?
नहीं करना चाहिए था, तो इन्होंने
आप
कहा कि
लड़का
आप।
बोल रही हैं, वो यंग
हाँ।
बंदा था?
ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल्स थे, उनमें से जो उनका जो लीडर था, वो आके हमें क्वेश्चन करने लगा कि आप हमारे लोकलाइट से ये क्यों बिहेव कर रहे हैं। हमने कहा कि आप लेडीज को छेड़ रहे हो तो हम क्या बिहेव करेंगे। तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं, आप लोकलाइट से ये बात नहीं कर सकते। तो हम उनसे हमारा थोड़ा सा क्वारल हुआ, और वहां के टूरिस्ट ने बोला कि आप निकल जाइए, ये इशू मत बढ़ाइए। तो हमें भी लगा शायद हम गलत प्लेस पे, तो ये इशू ना करते हुए हम निकल जाए। तो वहां से हम निकलते समय 112 को कॉल कर रहे थे, लेकिन रेंज ना होने के कारण कॉल नहीं कनेक्ट हो पा रहा था। फिर वहां से हम आगे निकले, जो बावली डैम है, वहां पे हमें पुलिस की वैन मिली थी। वहां पे एक दो कांस्टेबल थे, लेकिन हमें ये इशू नहीं था कि शायद इतना बड़ा आगे जाके अटैक हो सकता है। तो हमने पुलिस से बात की, तो उनको हमने बोला कि हमें कंप्लेंट करनी है। तो बोले आप इगतपुरी पुलिस स्टेशन जाइए, आप वहाँ पे कंप्लेंट कीजिए। हम बोले ठीक है, नो इशू। तो हम वहां से निकले। आगे 2 किलोमीटर वहां से जाते हैं, तो वहां पे जो व्हाइट कलर की बलेनो कार है, जो दूसरे वीडियोस में वायरल है,
ये दिख रही
तो उसने आके हमसे आगे आके हमारी गाड़ी ब्लॉक करते हुए 4 से 6 लोग भागते हुए आए, और गाड़ी के ग्लास फोड़ना उन्होंने चालू कर दिया।
फिर से फेंका उन्होंने, पत्थर
तो
मारा।
एक स्पॉट पे हमने वो थोड़ी गाड़ी रिवर्स लिया और वहां से भागे। हमें लगा उनका गांव है, शायद इधर तक ही अटैक हो। हम वहां से भागे, लेकिन जहाँ पे नासिक मुंबई हाईवे लगता है, वहां पे आके ये जो टू व्हीलर्स पे 2 बंदे दिख रहे हैं आपको, उन्होंने आके वापस गाड़ी पे अटैक किया। तो हमने सोचा कि ये इनका ही गांव है। इगतपुरी पुलिस स्टेशन ना जाते हुए आगे नासिक की तरफ बढ़ते, आगे के पुलिस स्टेशन में जाते हैं। तब तक 112 कनेक्ट भी हो रहा था। तो हम आगे, यार हमने ये सोचा कि आगे टोल नाका है, तो वहां पे शायद किसी की मदद मिल जाए, कोई पुलिस हो, कुछ पब्लिक से, यानी टोल नाका पे इतना कोई ये इश्यू नहीं हो पाएगा। तो हम टोल नाका की तरफ बढ़े। जैसे टोल नाका पे आते हैं, हमारे पीछे आगे 2-3 गाड़ियां थी, तो हमें टोल क्रॉस नहीं कर पा रहे थे। तो उतने में बाजू में उनकी कार आती है। तो उनकी कार आती है, वापस अटैक करने लगते। तो हम हमारी कार रिवर्स लेते हैं, और दूसरे लेन से हम टोल नाके का बैरिकेड तोड़ के भागते। तो उसमें वो वापस पत्थरों से हमारी गाड़ी पे अटैक करते हैं। फिर उसके आगे 5-10 किलोमीटर अहेड, जहाँ पे एक नैरो एस्केप है, जहाँ पे थोड़ा रोड्स के काम चालू होने के कारण थोड़ा ट्रैफिक में इश्यू होता है। तो वहाँ पे हमारी गाड़ी ब्लॉक हो गई, हम आगे बढ़ नहीं पा रहे थे। तो वो गाड़ी व्हाइट बोलेनो ये सब वापस वहाँ पे आए, और उन्होंने अटैक करना वापस चालू किया। तो हमने थोड़ा रिवर्स लिया, और हमने ये सोचा कि बॉम्बे साइड भागते हैं, कि ये क्योंकि ये हमारे आगे आ रहे हैं, ये शायद हमें नासिक तक पहुंचना देते। तो हमने बॉम्बे साइड में जाने का सोचा, हमने गाड़ी निकाली। तो उसमें से एक बंदा हमारी गाड़ी में, यानी बाहर से उसने गाड़ी पकड़ ली, और वो गाड़ी यानी कांच सब फूटे थे। तो उसने गाड़ी के एक दरवाजे को पकड़ के हमारे साथ वो गाड़ी को लटक चुका था। हमें ये इशू था कि हम गाड़ी भगाएंगे तो ये गिर जाएगा, ये इसको कुछ तकलीफ ना हो, और गाड़ी स्लो करेंगे इसको बचाने के लिए, हम पकड़े गए तो ये हमें मार ना डाले। लेकिन कैसे तो भी हमने उसके हाथ छुड़ाए, 100-200 मीटर पे आगे जाके उसको थोड़ा नीचे गिरा दिया और वहां से हम भागे। लेकिन हमें वापस इश्यू हुआ कि शायद हम वापस गलत दिशा में जा रहे हैं, उनके साइड, उनके एरिया की तरफ। तो अपने नासिक की तरफ ही बढ़ते, तो हमने वापस यू टर्न मारते हुए नासिक की तरफ बढ़ना चालू किया। तो वहां पे आगे जाने पे उन्होंने वापस एक गोंदे दुमाला करके एक स्पॉट है जहाँ पे वापस ट्रैफिक का इशू होता है, जहाँ पे रोड्स के काम चल रहे हैं।
बहुत गाड़ियां थी वहां
तो
पे।
वहां पे ट्रैफिक इशू होने की वजह से हमारी गाड़ी वापस ब्लॉक हुई। तो वापस ये लोग हमारे आगे आए और कुछ बंदों ने आके सब कांचें हमारी गाड़ी की फूट चुकी थी।
पत्थर।
तो उन्होंने आके वहां पे हमारी गाड़ी, जो हमारा इग्निशन का बटन होता है वो स्विच ऑफ कर दिया, यानी गाड़ी बंद कर दी और हमें बोला कि आप गाड़ी से उतरिए, अपन
यही
शॉर्ट सकते हैं।
करेंगे बोल रहे हैं।
लेकिन हमें लगा कि शॉर्ट करना है, यानी जहाँ पे ये 20 किलोमीटर से सुन नहीं रहे, ऐसे अटैक ही कर रहे हैं, शायद हमें मार डाले। तो हमने वहां से वापस थोड़ा रिवर्स लेते हुए भागना ही बेहतर समझा। फिर हम वहां से भागे और हम जाके अंबड पुलिस स्टेशन में सरेंडर हुए
जी
कि हाँ।
जी सर, मैम हमारे साथ जुड़िए, हमारे साथ शाइना एनसी भी जुड़ रही हैं इस समय पे। शाइना एनसी, स्पोक्सपर्सन फॉर शिवसेना। थैंक यू very much, Miss Shaina NC, for joining us. Ma'am, you hearing the couple. The couple is there. They are telling their ordeal, and the survivor. I'm calling her survivor for a couple of reasons. One, she's shown the strength to speak up.
Yeah.
Not just once, twice.
Yeah.
Once when the comments were made at her, the harassers dared to make the comments on her and her family members. She didn't take it lying down. She stood up for herself. And then now she's going public with her family's support. It takes courage, and I can see her tear up while she's speaking. How do you really look at this, ma'am?
Firstly, let me please say that law and order will be maintained. Such gunda acts will not be tolerated, and the CCTV footage is being checked. The local citizens, the Traders Association, all have demanded that police patrolling and the CCTV installation, which is something that we have accepted and reached out. Now, the FIR that has been filed in this Panchpati police station under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita for attempt to murder, rioting, and criminal intimidation are the legal recourse. But I think we, as in Nasik police and the 3 accused that were picked up within 24 hours, and the search is on for more. I think this also needs to be looked objectively as what is our society become? What has our society become, and what is this Kalyug that you see these kind of horror attacks? And Nasik has always been a very peaceful place. How brutal and how open can it be in broad daylight? And the anger that we are seeing by the bystanders, and for that matter, by society at large, is only evident because we really need to. The police and the administration will do their job. The political will is there. So I'm not worried about that. We will continue to do what we need to. But we also need to bring up this topic about what is happening in our society.
Sure.
Why do you have such perpetrators of crime? Do they feel that they get a complete thrill? And this was a group of 4 to 5 men. That were.
No, I think there were 9 to 10 to 12 men. If I'm correct, it was 10 to 12 men who were chasing them.
4 to 5 have been arrested, and the baki ke jo hai they're looking for. I think the video is in the public domain, and I think that the initial reports say, I don't know if this is true or not true, whether it was something old, which is something new, whether it was property, whether it was enmity, whatever the versions, we cannot take it casually. And the casualties that took place also, and the video that showed the truth, my heart goes out to the victim. Let me please assure her through your television channel that the Mahayuti government will make sure that the perpetrators are brought to task.
Right. Just one thing, ma'am, I want to ask the couple here. ये कितने घंटों तक चला, और इन घंटों में आपके आसपास कहीं भी पुलिस, बिकॉज आप हाईवे पे भी थे, मुंबई नासिक हाईवे में भी थे, पुलिस पेट्रोलिंग गाड़ी, पुलिस की गाड़ी, कहीं पे भी कुछ भी पुलिस का क्रिस क्रॉस होना, कुछ भी एनीथिंग आपके पास कुछ आपने देखा?
ये लगभग 5:30 से 7 बजे तक ये इंसिडेंट चालू था, और जहाँ पे हम एंजॉय कर रहे थे वहाँ पे पुलिस का पेट्रोलिंग हो रहा था। लेकिन जो इंसिडेंट हुआ उस समय पुलिस वहां पे नहीं थी, लेकिन आगे जाके बावली डैम पे भी पुलिस थी। लेकिन हमें नहीं लग रहा था कि शायद इतना बड़ा इशू हो, तो वहां पे हमने पुलिस से प्रोटेक्शन मांगना इतना जरूरी नहीं समझा, कि हमें लगा लोकल लाइट है, चलो नॉर्मल ये भेज जो होती रहती है, तो चलो ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं। लेकिन आगे जाने पे जब ये इशू ज्यादा बढ़ने लगा, तो हमने 112 को कॉल किया। हर कोई रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा था कि आप इस पुलिस स्टेशन में पहुंचिए। लेकिन ऐसा हो रहा था कि मुझे अंदर की गलियां, जो इगतपुरी पुलिस स्टेशन है या वाडीवारा है या घोटी पुलिस स्टेशन है, मुझे अंदर की गलियां ठीक से मालूम नहीं थी। तो मैं ये सोच रहा था कि अगर मैं अंदर जाता हूँ और कहीं पे ब्लॉक हो जाता हूँ, और ये जो इतने 10-12 लोगों का जो गुट है, ये पीछे आके अगर हमें अटैक करता है, तो ये हमारा क्या इंसिडेंट हो
कर
जाएगा। तो
पाते।
इसलिए मैं ये सोच रहा था कि हाईवे पे भागते रहूं। तो मुझे घोटी पुलिसों का भी फोन आ रहा था मेरे भाई को, और इनका वाडीवाला पुलिसों का भी फोन आ रहा था कि आप यहाँ तक पहुंचिए। लेकिन हम हमारा लोकेशन इतना चेंज हो रहा था कि हमें
लोग इतने फास्ट आ रहे थे कि हमें कहीं रुकना सही नहीं लगा। और अगर वो बोल भी रहे थे यहाँ पे रुको आप, तो हम उन्हें वहां पे रुक के भी कहाँ ढूंढते, तब तक ये गाड़ी हमारे पीछे ही आ रही थी। जैसे ही थोड़ा स्लो हुआ तो वो हमारे बराबर से आके हम पे अटैक कर रहे थे। तो हमने सोचा नहीं, अभी हम अपनी सिटी में ही जाएंगे, नियर बाय पुलिस स्टेशन में। तो फिर हम लोग अंबड़ तक पहुंच गए।
Yeah, Shaina, and see, practically speaking, 112 is there for people who want to reach out to the police at a point. But here's just a live example of how things really fall apart when we need it the most. Because this happened to them, this could happen to me, this could happen to anyone else at any point. How does one stop? How does one stop and go to the nearest police station? When you're being chased with stones, iron rods, and sticks, it's practically impossible. So you need a police
As
to
I
reach
said,
you.
as I said, we need to get to the bottom of this case to find out what the actual motive was. I think as a society, we can keep speaking on how wrong this is, but we need to get to the bottom of the case also. The FIR that was filed in Panchvati police station was done in record time, from what I gather. And the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the serious sections of attempt to murder, because this was like an attempt to murder. It was almost like rioting and criminal intimidation. The people who have been arrested were picked up within 24 hours, and the balance are yet to be done. That I think that whenever you see this gundagardi or people trying to take law into their hands, you have two options. One is to show them fear of law, which is what the Mahayuti stands for, and second is that the CCTV footage which is being checked also need to take cognizance of all those bystanders who have seen what actually transpired. As I said initially itself, my heart goes out to the victim, and we will stand by them, ensure they are given justice. But this kind of violence, if you're in Nasik and people call 112, you have that much time for the police to act, yes. But in the meantime, even society at large must help the administration and the political class. And that's all we have to say on this issue.
Shaina NC, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much, Shaina NC. Thank you so much. मैम, इफ़ आई कैन कम टू यू एट दिस पॉइंट, मैम मैं आपसे एक और चीज़ पूछना चाहती थी। आपको लगता है कि आपको पुलिस और गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट सफिशिएंट है अभी?
यस मैम, वो कर रहे हैं अपनी तरह से, उन्होंने काफी सपोर्ट किया हमें। आई थिंक आगे भी जब तक ये सब नहीं हो जाता है क्लोज, तब तक वो सपोर्ट करेंगे हमें।
मैम, ये आप एक औरत के हैसियत से पूछ रही हूँ मैं, ये आप एक आइसोलेटेड केस, आर यू रेडी टू सी दिस एज एन आइसोलेटेड केस कि ये मेरे साथ हुआ और ख़राब हुआ, या आपको लगता है दिस इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम दैट वुमेन आर फेसिंग बाय एंड लार्ज?
ना, ये अकेले की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये हम लोगों ने उसे फेस किया है, इसलिए हम लोगों ने शायद यहाँ तक आए। हम लोग शायद जो बाहर से, हम नासिक से है इसलिए हम लोग वहां तक गए हैं। हो सकता है जो बाहर से आए थे, जैसे अदर सिटी से आ रहे हैं और वहां पे जा रहे हैं, उनके साथ ये सब हो रहा है, तो वो सिर्फ सहन करके निकल गए हो, या उन पे साथ भी ऐसा कुछ हुआ होगा, मारामारी हुई होगी, छेड़खानी होगी। तो उन्होंने यही सोचा होगा कि यहाँ पे किसी से करने से अच्छा हम लोग चले जाए, तो जाते किसी के।
आप लोगों को you're getting a lot of strength. Last question, both of you can answer, जो आंसर करना चाहे। Last question, where are you getting the strength from to come out and speak about this? Sir, ma'am.
किसी के साथ ये हो ना पाए.
Okay, we seem to have some signal issues. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us, for talking to us. We wish justice to both of you. Thank you so much. I'm being joined at this point by Sajid K. Supariwala as well as Krishna Hegde. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining me. Well, let me come straight to you at this point, Sajid K. Supariwala. Do we have Mr. Sajid? Yes, Mr. Sajid and Mr. Krishna Hegde. Firstly, apologies. We were talking to the survivor. This was unplanned, and that's why we took time to get to both of you. Mr. Sajid, how do you respond to what the survivor and her husband have spoken?
Firstly, the courage you're talking about, they had the courage of coming on the. Definitely, courage to you have to have, because if you have to face such gundas, they come in a mob and attack a family. They are supposed to be not gundas but eunuchs. I consider them eunuchs more than gundas. And these kind of eunuchs should be taken care of by the state government. We are lacking law and order situation, as always been told since all these years that they have been there earlier also. They have been having Maharashtra state under them, but so many incidents have happened. They are just saying they are on the trial, and then the gundas are let loose by them, and I don't know what is happening. It's a pathetic situation in our Maharashtra. Maharashtra was never like this. It was becoming like Bihar and UP. The people from outside is coming in, are coming and ruling in Maharashtra, and they are making Bihar and UP out of Maharashtra. So I think it's about time they give up and they give Maharashtra in safe hands of the right people who are concerned for Maharashtra, the Bhumiputra. In fact, they have been, the outsiders are coming here and teaching outside kinds of attacks over here. I mean, it is very pathetic. It's so sorry.
What do you mean by that?
Family.
What do you mean by outsiders are coming? In fact, Sajid, at the end of the day, even this couple that was attacked, they were also attacked by people who were localized and said that you are outsiders and you're coming to talk to us like this. What do you mean by outsiders?
Let me complete. The law and the stereotype of outside. I'm not talking about outsiders. The stereotype is being copied here from Bihar and UP. Are you not worried that Maharashtra is becoming sorry state of affairs? Don't you think Bihar is the most of the criminal cases of these kinds? Have you seen in the past Maharashtra has been going through such? It is only after they have come, they are not able to take care of the situation.
How can you even say something like this, Sajid? How can you put everything on Bihar?
Why not?
How many of these? Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question, Sajid.
Yeah,
how many of these localized people who were part of this goon gang, how many of them were outsiders? And how many of them were from Maharashtra?
If they are from Maharashtra, I am telling them punish them immediately. Why
then how can you put everything on outsiders, Sajid? In this case, this is clearly people who are localized, who are living locally in Igatpuri.
I'm not talking about the gundas who attack. I'm talking about the stereotype which is being copied from Bihar and UP.
Are you saying the localized people here copied a stereotype from people?
These government is giving
I understand. I am in no way, Sajid, this is not you versus me. But I in no way can allow anybody to go ahead and just, condescend and bring down a group of a state, a group of people living in state. People living in Bihar are also Indians, sir. People living in UP are also Indians. People living in Maharashtra. These are people. Sir, these are people who took law in their hands. These are local goons in Maharashtra. They are not from Bihar.
You said what you said?
Yes, please.
Can I clarify my statement?
Yes, please.
I myself am saying we are not talking about the people of UP and Maharashtra. We are talking about the law and order situation has become such. Like in UP, what happens? You must have seen what happens in Bihar. That type I am talking about.
But how can you bring in outsiders outside? Who are the outsiders in this case? Then Krishna Hegde come in at this point, please.
Again, I am telling you that I am not talking about the gundas. I'm talking
so who are the outsiders according to you? The police is the outsiders. Police has always been the outsiders. Who is the outsider?
The people who are ruling the government, the policy of the government. That is not from Maharashtra.
Krishna Hegde, go ahead. Respond.
I think the Uddhav Thackeray spokesperson, my friend Sajid Supariwala, has put himself into a trap today.
I'm not a trap
Firstly,
at all.
Listen.
I'm telling
first of all, he was insulting.
First
of all, I allowed you full 4-5 minutes, Sajid.
Yeah, you catch
have
the
to allow me
criminals
to
and
speak.
talk. Come on TV after you catch them.
No, no,
Oh, so
it's
many
already
families
caught.
are
You are
aware.
not
You
aware they are
ask what has
caught.
happened to the
You are not
affected
even aware
people.
they are caught.
I am not
You are not even
concerned.
aware.
I am stating
No,
my statement
let me
again
have
that
my
you are
time.
making
Let
a
me have
UP
my
and Bihar
time.
out of
You
Maharashtra. You
shouting,
are making
shouting,
up UP
shouting
and
will
Bihar
not
out of
prove.
Maharashtra.
You have put yourself in a trap. You have
Okay,
put
go
yourself
ahead.
in a trap. Okay, let me say, Sajid Supariwala has put himself into a trap today. The Uddhav Thackeray spokesperson. I'm not talking about him personally. First, he was insulting Maharashtra. Then he went on to insult UP. Then he went on to
No,
insult Bihar.
just a minute, sir.
No, no, listen.
Just a minute, just a
No,
minute, just a minute. I'm requesting my team, please don't mute somebody. It's not required. Please don't mute Sajid. Mr. Sajid, let Mr. Krishna Hegde speak. Go ahead.
first he insulted Maharashtra,
I
the
never
law and
insulted
order
Maharashtra.
situation.
Let me
Now
correct
again he has
myself.
started.
Mr.
Again
Sajid,
he started.
let Mr.
Again
Krishna
he
Give me a
speak.
started.
statement. Where
Again
is
he
it?
started.
Sajid, let
Tell me where
Mr.
it's in
Krishna speak.
Maharashtra.
Sajid, let Mr.
Don't
Sajid,
put
let
him.
Mr. Krishna speak. I will come back to you for the last word. And if
Yeah,
at
yeah.
all
Let
it
him.
was
Let him.
about giving any kind of a cover for the government, I would not have had the victim in my show. We got the
See,
victim because we believe that the government needs to act and has failed to act.
now,
Therefore,
now I.
but allow Mr. Krishna to speak.
Yeah. So first he insulted Maharashtra, then he insulted UP, then he insulted Bihar, then he insulted the law and order system of Maharashtra. Then he praised his own government. His own government, two sadhus were lynched in Palghar, and the driver was killed, and there was absolutely no law and order, and he forgot about that. In this case, 9 out of the 10 attackers have been arrested and are in jail. The 10th one who is absconding will also be caught. They have been booked under several sections, that is sexual harassment, assault, robbery, criminal intimidation, and damage to property. Most of these are non-bailable offences. So there is no way that these people will go scot-free. But but to say that these are outsiders, these are not outsiders. These are local people from Nasik. Possibly something went wrong there, which flared up into a mob fury, and this is a problem. However, this is horrific. This is intolerable, and this must be extremely terrifying for the couple. And therefore, the police has taken the right action, and in quick time, and 9 out of the 10 are already
But
arrested.
you know, Mr. Krishna Hegde, what's shocking is in a highway you don't have policing. There was not one PCR
No, no,
van that
I am.
passed by. That's and this is Mumbai
Shreya, there
Nasik.
must be, there is 100% policing, and the couple themselves said on your television
No, they said
that
when they
not
were in the
only they,
dam. They said when they were in the dam there was
yeah,
police.
that
But when they
that when they
were
were,
having the chase of 15 kilometers and they were also
yeah,
on the highway, there was no police
yeah.
that came across.
No, no, I heard him very clearly. He said the police were calling them all the time. They even called one of the relatives. They were guiding them to the police station, but the victim thought that he should take the highway because that is the fastest route out. But
And therefore I'm
however,
asking, even in the
whatever
highway, sir,
is
no policing. I mean, you would
whatever
expect.
happened, whatever happened is not to be excused, or we cannot make an excuse about it. This is an extremely sad incident, and the 10th guy also has to be arrested and
Right.
brought to book. And the
Okay.
victims, I think they are okay now from their ordeal or their
I think she's quite shaken,
horrifying
sir. She's still crying.
condition.
I don't have much time. Mr. Sajid, I promised you to come back to you, so you're 30 seconds.
Simple thing is, I never ever would insult Maharashtra. I'm a Shiv Sainik. I'm born and brought up in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is my home ground. Everything is Maharashtra. I never insulted UP, Bihar. It's a part of India. I said that you are making a UP or Bihar out of Maharashtra means the crime rate in UP and Bihar in comparison to Maharashtra is so bad. And first of all, they themselves are covering up by making other people's statements, are using against people's statements. Why don't you just maintain the law and order? Why is there no police, the proper police bandobast on the highway? A family which was getting beaten also was a local. If the gundas were local, even the family was local. Why don't you understand that? They should be given protection. People of Maharashtra having no protection. So many cases are happening. If I tell you the crime rate, you will be surprised. You calculate the time rate of 2020 and now you calculate of 2026, you will find a vast difference. Maybe I think
All right.
120%
Okay,
crime
completely
will
out of
increase.
time. Get your point. Krishna Hegde, we have the numbers on the screen. I'm sorry I'll not be able to come back, but the truth really of the matter is There are several states, right from the north to the south to the east to the west, that are shockingly high in the crime rate, much higher than the national average. And every such crime rate is a stark reminder why it's so hard for women to be same and equal as men, not just in workspaces, but anywhere within the home and as well as outside. Mr. Sajid and Mr. Krishna, thank you so much for your time.